To win big in this industry, you got to have a big reason why. And it's two different types of people that join network marketing. It's people that desperately back against the wall. They gotta make this work. There's no other option. Like you have to make this work. There's no plan B. This is the grand of it all. We gotta make this thing work. Then you got the second type of person that's like, I'm in. If it works, cool. If it don't work, oh well. I was that person that back was against the wall who had to make this thing work. I never went to college, barely graduated high school. It was nothing. I didn't have no qualifications to enjoy or live a lifestyle that I wanted to live other than getting involved in the network marketing industry. Working a 9 to 5 wasn't going to get my mom out of the low income areas and working the 2 jobs. And, so I had to go through that growth process. And it was very, very difficult. I would even go out there and just have a vision board. I write down my goals and have that. So when I wake up, I'm seeing what type of car that I eventually want to be able to drive, or what type of house I want to be able to live in. And, all of these goals and things on my vision board. So when I wake up, I'm able to see it, get my mind right, and then I'm going to attack my day. You got to develop as a person because the universe is only going to pay you who you become as a person. It's going to meet you where you at as a person. So personal development is something that I'm huge on. You got to grow through the process, right? You're going to have, those ups and downs. And even today, at the level we at, we still have ups and downs, but you got to mature and be able to look at the opportunities in those failures and say, hey, you know what? I failed, but that was an opportunity for me to grow. We never lose, we just learn. And that was kind of how I looked at it. And when I did my personal development for the first hour and a half, 2 hours in the day, and at that point, we went out and produced. Network marketing people, who's not at the professional level, they got a mindset of, I'm trying to get people. Or I'm trying to get this. No, you got to build relationships. The reason we've been able to be the #1 recruiter here in my current company, my first 2 years in, is because of the relationships we built. Getting to really know people. It's not what's in it for me, it's what's in it for them. So if you're watching this and you believe in the industry and you haven't got your breakthrough just yet, man, focus on personal growth. Focus on, sometimes smelling the roses and celebrating the small wins. Maybe you got a rep you enrolled that month. Maybe you got a few customers. Maybe you hit a promotion. Maybe somebody on your team got promoted. Like, start celebrating the small wins along the journey and embrace where you at. Embrace the process. If you had the first promotion in your company, or you've been stuck at a title for a long time, embrace that and say, hey, you know what? I want to be the best level of myself at this position as I possibly can be, and just learn and grow, because you can't lead an organization if you never struggle. How are you going to be able to relate to people? Give them. So you got to definitely, that growth process and personal development, and have those vision boards. You got to see this. You can't hit a target you can't see.